Hey, what's up, you guys? Big Z here from Bengali, and welcome to another Bengali tutorial with Big Z. Today is Monday, actually. It's going to be Tuesday in about 8 minutes here in Canada, in the East Coast Canada, well, Central Canada. But I don't know. I just decided to make something, like to talk about something at least. I'm going to talk about family members in this one. If I remember correctly, back in 2017, which is almost 2 years ago, I made a video covering family members, and I felt like I did not do a good job with that video. So I'm just gonna cover a little more extensively here. Well, not extensively. I'm going to cover uh, grandparents, basically, like how to address your grandparents, because I felt like I missed out your mom's parents over there totally. So yeah, I'm just gonna cover that in this one, and how to address them and things like that. Okay, so let's get started on that one. All right, so here we are, grandfather, Nana. So Nana is your mom's dad. Okay, that's your mom's father is Nana. I know in English Nana is actually your grandmother, but unfortunately in Bengali we call Nana our mom's father. Okay, yeah, we call him Nana. Nana. So Nana Bhai is like just like a way, like a loving way of addressing your grandparent, right? Well, not your grandparent, your grandfather, your mom's dad. Okay, so that's what I call my mom's dad, right? Nana Bhai. So that's like a loving way of saying it. And you can just call him Nana, and there's no problem with that. Be like, oh Nana, how are you? You can say that in Bengali, right? You know how to say how are you in Bengali? I'm pretty sure you do. If not, check out my other videos, okay? Check out my, yeah, way back, like a video that I posted way long time ago. So yeah, check that out. But then the grandfather is Nana, which is your mom's dad, and you can call him Nana or Nana Bhai, right? And grandmother is Nani. So it's Nani, or you can say Nanu, right? Or you can address her Nani Apu, Nanu Apu. You can say that too. I didn't add that. Well, I mean, it's right here, Nanu slash Nani Apu, right? So that's your mom's mom. That's Nani or your Nanu, or you can call her Nani Apu, right? That's like a loving way of saying, addressing your mom's mom, okay? Or you can call her Nani or Nanu, no problem with that, right? And did I cover everything? Yeah, well, I mean, let me just add this here. What is this? Okay, Nanu slash Nani Apu. Not app. Apu. What the heck am I doing? Okay, there you go. I'm tired, man. Maybe that's why I'm not operating properly. And Nana Bhai, okay, I missed that one. But I'm pretty sure you guys know what it is already. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. So yeah, there you go. Nana Bhai, right? Nana Bhai's mom's dad. Nani Apu or Nanu Apu is your mom's mom. And then we got grandfather, Dada. That's your dad's dad, okay? Dada, or you can call him Dada Bhai. You can call him Dada or Dada Bhai, no problem with that. Dada Bhai, here we go. Dada Bhai. Remember, it's not Bhai, it's Bhai. It's Bhai. A lot of people just say, oh yeah, it's Bhai. No, it's not Bhai. It's Bhai. Bha is the Bha here. See the Bha? That's important, okay? Bha. And this is simple, Dada. In English, kids call their dad Dada, but in Bengali, it's your dad's dad. That's Dada. Okay. Yeah. Hope this makes sense. And yeah, I'm dead tired. Just to let y'all know. Dada Bhai. There you go. That's dad's dad. Yeah, you can call him Dada. You can call him Dada Bhai. That's a loving way of saying it. I call my grandfather Dada Bhai, like my dad's dad right here, right? And then you got grandmother, daddy, or you can call her Dadu or Dadi Apu or Dadu Apu, right? That's dad's mom. I call her Dadi Apu, Dadu Apu. Yeah, I know I call her something else. That's another story. That's a loving way. It's a more loving way of calling your dad's mom. That's like a conjugation basically. But whatever. Let's not focus on that. Let's not focus on what I call uh, my grandmother. Let's focus on what you should call your grandmother in Bengali. Okay? So that's Dadi or Dadu or Dadi Apu, right? So that's that. It's gonna be a short tutorial, a very short lesson, because I'm really tired. I'm gonna go to bed. soon, hopefully within the next 20 minutes. But let's go over that one more time. Grandfather is Nana. That's your mom's dad, okay? You can call him Nana or Nana Bhai. Grandmother is Nani, Nanu. You can call her Nani, Nanu, Nani Apu, Nanu Apu, okay? And once again, Apu is included so that you can call her in a loving way, basically. That's it. That's what my mother taught me, basically. So I'm just teaching you that. Yeah, and grandfather is Dada. You can call him Dada or Dada Bhai. Dada Bhai is the loving way of addressing your grandpa, right? And that's your dad's dad. And grandmother is your dad's mom. That's your daddy or Dadu. You can call her Dadu Apu or Dadi Apu, okay? And once again, this is just a loving way of addressing your grandma. So yeah, I hope this makes sense to you guys. Any question, comment, let me know. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching my videos and do not forget to subscribe. Big Z out.